Pumpkin bread is one of the most popular quick breads, and this recipe, submitted by Allrecipes member Cheryl Riccoli, will not disappoint. It makes 3 full-sized loaves. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Next, you'll grease 3 9 by 5 inch loaf pans. Then flour them. Set them aside for now. Now, let's combine the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, crack 6 eggs and beat them lightly. Add 3 cups of canned pumpkin puree, 1½ cups of vegetable oil, and 4 cups of sugar. Mix all these ingredients together. For your dry ingredients, combine 4 3/4 cups of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and 1½ teaspoons of salt. And now for those warm spices. Add 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1½ teaspoons of ground nutmeg, and 1½ teaspoons of ground cloves. Whisk the dry ingredients together. And then add them to the pumpkin mixture. Stir the batter until it's well blended. Divide the batter evenly between the pans. Bake the breads in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour. There's nothing quite like the aroma of pumpkin bread baking in the oven. You'll know they're ready when the tops of the loaves spring back when they're lightly pressed, or a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the breads cool for 15 minutes before removing them from the pans. The pumpkin bread is delicious served as is, or with a little bit of whipped cream cheese smeared on top. One Allrecipes member describes this recipe as a dependable pumpkin bread recipe that's great as is, but would also be good with your favorite additions like raisins, nuts, or dried cranberries. Cheryl also notes that this recipe lends itself well to making muffins and mini loaves as gifts.